Hey guys, Kyle here with a terminal tip today. And this one is a terminal tip about aliases, or I can't really pronounce the word, but it's called an alias. And basically, it's when if I type in here, desktop, it brings me to my desktop. When I type home, it brings me to my home folder. Instead of typing cd/desktop and bringing me to my desktop, I can just type desktop, or I can bring it back to my home folder instead of typing cd/ and bringing me to my home. It's just a little quick way to get around your terminal easier. Like I have one set up for video. Just takes me to my videos and I can Alias from there. But a lot of you guys probably don't know how to set up aliases, so I'm going to show you pretty quickly. A little information. Before you open the terminal, there's a few hidden files that are loaded from your home folder, and inside the home folder there's some hidden files that the terminal loads before you before you load the terminal. And if you look here, I have a .bash aliases, and what I did to do that was, normally you have that, you do Control-H and it shows your hidden files, and I have a .bash aliases here. You're going to open that up, and I use gedit just because it's what's there, but you open that up and then you can see what I have set up here. Let's say I want to go to my photos section, right? Or my pictures. Right here. Those are my pictures. Normally, in the terminal, I would have to do cd/pictures, or it cannot take me there. One problem with the videos. There we go, cd/pictures, and then I can ls there and get all my pictures. Now, instead of typing that long word pictures, which I know seems lazy, you can just go in here. You're going to do pound alias, and you're going to type in whatever you want it to be called when you type into the terminal. Let's call it pictures, and equal sign, single quote, not double quote, single quote, cd/pictures, end single quote, and then you'll type in alias again, what you want it to be called, equal, and then type the same thing. And if you do this right, you should be able to save it and then reopen up your terminal. And if there's a problem, it'll give you an error message on the top saying it can't load the correct file, and you'll know if you did it wrong. But now you can type in pictures. If I can type it in right, there you go, and it takes me to my pictures. There's a lot of things you can do it with. You don't have to just use changing directories. You can use it to log on to SFTP sites, SSH, SSL. You can use it just about anything you need to type something long out that you repeatedly do. You can just type a quick shortcut and alias for it, and it makes it pretty easy when you need to get around your terminal and you use it a lot. So I find it a pretty useful command. If you guys find it useful too, just go ahead and let me know in the comments. I like to know if anyone really knew about this, because I see that most people end up just typing CD when they can do this. Alright, thanks.